Hi, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the shark gray full hull color. Standard on the boat is a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. You can see we have black powder coating on the four grab rails, the hardtop frame, the rocket launchers, and then the leaning post as well. That's all part of Scout's new Midnight Edition package, which is an optional package for the boat. We have a full walk across along the transom, trim tabs that are nicely tucked and recessed underneath both swim platforms. The boat is powered by a 250 horsepower V8 Verado motor from Mercury. Very smooth, very quiet, plenty of power for the boat. And then also here at the transom, you can see we do have a raw water washdown in addition to the freshwater washdown we have inside. Now let's take a look inside the boat. So here in the cockpit of Scout's 235 XSF, we've got a nice stern seat that when folded away also gives you a nice padded bolster if you're doing any fishing off the back end. Really clean look when it's tucked away. Deploys really easily. Very comfortably seats two adults with a nice high backrest, and the grab rails are within an arm's reach for safety. Tuck that away, that gives us access to our bilge area. Really nice, clean, all finished out bilge, very easy to access everything. This is also a very large hatch for a boat of this size, very conveniently placed as well. To the port side, standard is a bait well. This is a lighted bait well. We've got rod holders and cup holders along the back. We have a closable and lockable cockpit door. You can see here we have the Fender Pro option equipped on this boat, so we have a quick disconnect for our fenders. Always like to show the top cowling service door on Mercury's new V8 Verado engines. I can check and change my oil, and I can actually remove this lever, or engage this lever and totally remove the cowling just with one arm. Again, powder-coated black leaning posts, part of the Midnight package. Cup holders, rod holders along the back. Igloo coolers standard beneath. We have rod holders beneath the gunnels on both sides with LED rope lighting that fully encompasses the boat, so the boat illuminates really well at night. Here on the hardtop, we have the optional rocket launchers equipped, along with the optional tea bag storage bag. LED lighting both fore and aft. Here at the helm, fully enclosed tempered glass windshield with ventilation above. Really comfortable helm seat with bolsters that work independently of each other, so I as a driver can lean while my passenger comfortably sits. Also equipped on this boat are the optional SeaDek helm pads. So I've got good foot support, kind of takes some of the fatigue and vibration out of the boat when you're on extended running days. Standard 9-inch Garmin. I've got a lockable glove box with charging ports for my devices here. All of my switches are LED lit. Upgraded Edson steering wheel with a steering knob on an adjustable tilt. Digital throttle and shift with our Mercury motor. And we also have a 4-inch Mercury vessel view display. Trim tabs are standard on this boat. We did do the optional LED indicators. And we have a standard Fusion Bluetooth stereo. And upgraded the boat speakers with the JL audio speakers, one of 4 throughout the boat. Making our way further forward, really large head area for this size boat with a self-contained porcelain head with its own holding tank. Batteries and battery switch are also located up there. Really nice, expansive bow area. Someone who's well over 6 feet can comfortably lounge in this space. Backrests easily come out and stow away if you want to open up this space as well. I've got 2 cup holders, a recessed area for my devices, and with non-skid, I can mount a picnic table here if I choose. I've got storage that's repeated on both sides, all finished out, drained, easy to keep clean, versatile storage area. All of these cushions snap right up and out. Access to my anchor line is beneath this seat, and my anchor is stored here. can also see we have forward the combination rod holder cup holder option. This allows me to drop a set of stanchions for a bow sunshade if you include that on the boat. And then lastly, everyone's favorite seat is the forward chase lounge. Armrests are built in to the hardtop. And then beneath, you have an abundance of storage. This is an insulated lid, and this area is drained. So you can use this as a cooler, as a fish box, or dry storage, however you choose to use it. That's a look at our 235 XSF from Scout Boats. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you.